Hey guys, it's Natalie, and today I'm going to be doing the Mystery Slime Challenge. So basically what this is I have a hat full of little cards. It sounds very flimsy. Thank you, Mom, for letting me use your hat, but it is full of slime ingredients. I have glue. My hair is wet, sort of, because I got out of the shower not too long ago. I have a clear glue and a white glue down there. And then I have all my ingredients in here that I will be pulling out from the hat. And whatever I get, I have to put it in my dirty bowl. It's dirty with slime, which I'll probably clean it real fast before we start the actual video. But yeah, so let's go. Okay, so I'm going to get the hat. And let's see which one I get first. I'm not looking. This one. Got it out. Let's just put this aside. I'm scared. Blue paint. So I'm going to take that one out and set it right there. So we have all my stuff. So I know what I put on this. And right off the bat, blue paint. So let's just add some of that without any glue. And at the end, if I don't have any glue, I will add some glue. Next one. Okay, this one is clear glue. Yes, I wanted clear glue so badly, but I was like, I don't think I'm gonna get it. And my big thing out, crazy art clear glue. I love clear glue. It's just so good to make. It's so clear, guys. It's like so clear, guys. I just say guys. Okay, so I'm gonna mix everything at the end. I don't know if I already said that. But I love this. It's so pretty. It's like a random blue dot in the middle. Okay, so let's pick my next one. We're going through this pretty fast. Okay. Blue glitter, blue glue, and blue glitter. Okay. And after this, I am going to be making a leprechaun slime. So here's my blue glitter. Super pretty. Okay. Super pretty. I love it. Just put a ton of that in there. Oh my gosh. I put it to where you couldn't even see anything. Like, guys. Okay, let's pick my next one. And we're only going to do 10 rounds. And we're going to make a leprechaun slime. Because but this previous Sunday, I think, was, what's it called? We're supposed to wear green. I forgot what it's called. But we're going to make a green slime, green glitter, green stuff. And yeah, so let's just go ahead and pick another one. Pick this one. And if I get any more something with glue. Oh, okay. So I was literally just saying that. If I get anything mixed with glue, I can't use it, so I have to pick again. So this is my fourth one. This one. What? Okay, I can't. Okay, this is my fourth one. I can't get any more glues than what I have. It's another rule. Okay, so all the glue out. Green food dye. Okay. Okay. That's fine. Here's some activator. Green food dye. I found it. Maybe it'll end up being a really pretty teal. I don't know. Gonna add 1 drop, 2 drop, 3 drops. Whoa, it's like sinking into the glitter. Guys, that looks so cool. Okay, that looks so cool. Okay, let's pick my next one. Might not even have 10. Red food. Okay. I don't want to do another food dye. Let's just pick another one. I'm kind of cheating by looking. Okay. Unicorn skin any color. Oh my gosh. I love unicorn skin. Okay. If you don't know what unicorn skin is I'm going to do blue, obviously. Kind of going with the blue. But it's like these little flakies, sort of. I'm not sure. And yeah. They're just these little flakies. And these are bluish purple. And I really love these. I told my mom I was putting unicorn flakes in the mystery slime. For option. And she's like, unicorn flakes? That sounds very gross. And I showed her and she's like, oh. I was like, yeah. Okay, so I think this is going to be the last round. I'm going to activate this one. Pink. Okay. Pink. Where are you? I'm not going to add very much. I'm going to add that much. A drop. Literally a drop. Okay, so this is basically what we have going on right now. Oh, whoa. Oops. Okay, so we're just gonna mix it. That looks so cool, guys. Actually, really pretty, guys. Oh my gosh, guys, that is so pretty. And if you do go to my school, I probably will bring a sample of this, because I always love playing with slime at school. Not like during class and stuff, but yeah. It is a very vibrant green. I love it. Now it is time to activate, which always takes a long time for clear slimes. So, yeah, I might just talk to y'all and stuff. I got some new activator. That old one, it was struggling. It was struggling pretty hard. Okay, so while I'm just mixing it, trying to activate it. So, how was y'all's day? Was it good? I hope it was. Are y'all having spring break at the time? It is like, right now, I think it's like, okay, it's 10:25. It's almost 10:30, which is not really a bad thing, but it's not the best thing in the world. So, yeah. Add a lot of that baking soda. We don't want to overactivate you. We just want to activate you. Clear slimes always come out overactivated. Let's read what we had left. Pink glitter. We had that left. Purple glitter. Yep. Green glitter. And purple paint. And green paint. That's all that we had left in there. So, yeah. Oh, and one more hack. If you let your slime sit when you're trying to let it activate, I'm not sure if this works on every slime, but sometimes it'll like thicken up and it'll be more thick. That probably work best with clear slime. Just saying. That might help you with life, maybe, in a few days. Just ignore that little part right there. I'm trying to make it to where y'all can see it. It is coming together. I love clear slimes. And yeah. I really do love clear slimes. I love it when, like, people poke them. And it's just, like, the best thing in the world. I mean, like, it really is. I'm sorry if I'm being too quiet. I hope this video might get you sleep. If you can hear the cars outside my window. I can always hear cars outside my window for some reason. But, yeah. I'm just going to try to crush the little chunks that I got in there. Because I have a few chunks. But, I mean, Crazy Art Glue makes pretty good clear slime. The first time I made clear slime today, this is like the first time I've ever had clear glue. And I am absolutely already in love with it. Well, it's not the first time I've had clear glue. It's the first time I've ever had Crazy Art clear glue. Probably, I think. Because I've had Elmer's clear glue twice in my life. I know, shocking. I make slime all the time. Set that over there. This, I think, is going to be my leprechaun slime. I'm going to make another one just in case. So I'm going to make a opaque one and a clear one. Okay, let's get out a few containers. I got these containers. They are pretty small. So yeah. I'm going to be filling up as many as I can. Which I'm probably going to fill up at least like 5 or so. No, probably like 3. Yeah, I might give 2 away and just keep one for a little sample. So, if anybody's watching this video from my school and you're in my class and you just want to ask about the slimes, you can ask. And whoever asks will get one of these for free. Which, when people ask me to make slime, I mean, I'm not like, no, I'm not going to make you slime. I'm like, okay, I can try. Or something. I don't know. Oh, this one won't close. Let's try a different lid. Maybe it's just the container. I don't know. I mean, they don't disappoint. I like these containers. They're not the highest quality possible, but they're not the lowest. So, yeah. Sorry, I thought that somebody was like knocking on my door. Which didn't even really sound like that, but yeah. So, it doesn't go all the way to the top. So now we're going to make my opaque one. So all I have to do to get 2 slimes, you have to be in my class at my school. You have to be watching this video to know. So, or you can be somebody out of my class, but you have to be in my grade. And you can ask me, hey, do you have one of those leprechaun slimes that you made in the video? And I'll be like, yeah, you want one? And then you can be like, sure. And I'll be like, here you go. So we're just going to put those up there for now and just say goodbye for now. And now we're going to make the opaque slime. If I can find my stuff. So here's the white glue. And you can also win one of these. Yeah, so I'll be giving away 4 slimes. Only if you're in my grade and at my school. So, if you're just somebody that I know. But if you're my family, that doesn't count. Because, yeah. I'm just making a light slime. see with my hands. Okay, so here's my green glitter. Very vibrant stuff. And we're going to add a different blue. I just realized I had a bluer one in there. It's okay. Didn't open it all the way. So I'm kind of going to speed through this because this video is getting kind of long. So we're just going to throw that stuff in. Okay, what all did I have on the other side? I think that's it. I think that's good. And if you don't want a clear slime and you just want an opaque, good, stretchy, really stretchy slime, because usually my clear slimes don't come out at nearly as stretchy as, my clear slimes don't come out nearly as stretchy as my opaque slimes. And yeah. I think I added a little bit too much activator. It'll be okay. I don't think you can ever have too much activator unless you literally have too much activator. So, yeah. I'm just mixing in that activator. I'm sort of ready to go to bed. My hair is a little crazy. Sorry about that. But I'm just mixing it, I'm going to get the containers ready while it's sitting there. So, yeah. And it's stuck art today. Bet y'all didn't know that. 4, 3, See, look, they're like put together. I'm sorry I'm being so quiet. If I get all quiet all of a sudden and just like start talking and coming at you, I'm sorry. Okay? I'm sorry. That was just weird. This is a really random video. I really just want to do a video because I haven't been doing videos very often. Yeah, so. Right? Oh, look, what did I put in the slime? What did I put in the slime? Yeah, I think that's it. Okay. Go in with your hands. Even though it's still glue. It is literally glue. It is nothing but the glue. Nothing but the road. You are nothing but the road. Sorry, I was thinking about SpongeBob for a second. Comment in the comments section if you have ever watched or seen the SpongeBob movie or watched just SpongeBob in general. It doesn't have to be the SpongeBob movie, but if you have just watched or just like seen the SpongeBob movie, isn't that the same thing? Watch and seeing. Have you ever watched the SpongeBob movie or just SpongeBob episodes? Yeah. This is sticky. I'm ready to go to bed. Literally. I will tell you when I'll come back to you when I have the containers filled. Okay, so guys, sadly, I could only fill 2. I know, I'm so sad. Is this another one? Okay, maybe not. But sadly, I could only fill 2. So yeah, you would only get 1. There's only 1 leprechaun slime. And there's 2 other clear leprechaun slimes, so be on the lookout for those if you actually really want them. But this one's full. It's actually pretty full. And this one's pretty full too, so yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I think this is one of the longest videos. Please like, subscribe, and comment in the comment section down below what videos you want to see. Bye!